Well, I got this whole thing working again. Got a new LifePo 4 battery, 10 amp hour in the mail today, and put that in here and revitalize the thing. This is the thermostat to run the fan once the temperature inside gets up to 100 degrees. And this is just a readout for the voltage and amperage draw. And then got a couple of USB outlets there. Got a couple of cigarette lighter outlets here, and they even work for the old-fashioned cigarette lighter. Actually, this one does. I don't know if the other one would. This one's made especially for that purpose. So it actually works. You can light your cigarette off of that, or warm your hands up, or maybe even use it as a self-defense tool. And then there it goes. Pops out and red hot. Check that out. So there's that. We got a little light on the front. A flashlight for when you're carrying it by the handle at night. And that's pretty much it.